Getting started. Welcome to the Let Smart app for controlling your water filtration system. Step 1. Download the Let Smart app. Click to download. Waiting to download and install. Open the app. Sign up or log into your account. Enter your email address. Click to get the verification code. Enter the verification code you just received. Click to set your own password. Open the app. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi permissions on your phone. Make the device ready for pairing, indicated by the Wi-Fi icon flashing on the device display. Click the plus icon at the top right, then click Add Device. Click Add to add the device. Select your home Wi-Fi, enter the password, and click Next. Wait for about a minute for the pairing to complete. The Wi-Fi icon stays on after successful pairing. Check the status of the PCF filter. Check the status of the RO filter. Set the timing for the automatic cleaning. View consumption report. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 5S. Release the button when the Wi-Fi icon starts flashing.